everyone, in this activity I'm going to show you forces that affects motion. I have two balls here and let's see their difference after pushing it. This is the first ball and this is the second ball. I observed that the distance traveled by the balls are different because of the applied force I put on it. That affects their motion. The greater amount of applied force to the ball, the farther the distance, while the lesser amount of applied force to the ball, the shorter the distance it could travel.